Hello mga ka-treats! We are in Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan. Trinay namin itong isa sa popular bowl ramen nila na Ichiran. Napakahaba ng pila dahil nasa tourist spot mismo itong place. Ito yung setup. Mag-order ka muna through machine at pipili ka ng toppings sa iyong bowl at mag-pay bago i-serve sa'yo. Nakakatuwa lang on how they present to you on your own booth. So the broth is very rich and savory dahil they simmer it for a long hours daw. So unang iserve sa iyo ay yung half-cooked egg nila na halos color orange na at very runny. So you still have time to peel it while waiting for the main course or yung ramen noodles. At nandito na rin ang kanilang chopsticks, i-ready mo lang at ang kanilang wet napkins kung hindi ka pa naghuhugas ng kamay. At ito yung next na sinerve nila. Ito yung very thin slices of tender braised pork belly. Ayan, may taba-taba na nag-a-add ng sarap sa sabaw. At ito yung common toppings nila like green onions, may pickled ginger, at syempre itong half-boiled egg nila. They also provide a red pepper paste for an extra spice on your bowl. Ito ang sarap talaga ng orange egg nila, malinamnam. At ito yung setup nila, may sarili kang booth with high partitions to give each diner a privacy to minimize distractions para ma-enjoy mo yung ramen bowl mo.